here during our 3.0 grand opening, which means better features, a better platform, and better results for our users. But what exactly is new in 3.0? In version 3.0, we now have 5 times the number of sites in our network, 5 times the authority, 5 times the ranking power. Yup, since our initial launch back in 2018, we have more than 5x the number of sites in our network that we'll be using to syndicate your content on. But not just 5 times the sites, we've also 5x'd the authority. We have spent countless hours and thousands of dollars sifting through the best of the best sites that have high domain and page authority to ensure that you're getting the best quality syndication. This all pretty much means you now have 5 times the ranking power in version 3.0 with our massively expanded network. We also have done for you rankings on a global level with our worldwide language support. One of our most requested features has been deployed in version 3.0. Done for You Suite is now the leading provider for Done for You rankings via quality social syndication on a global level with support in all the major languages around the world. Yes, you heard that correctly. We now cover every language you can think of so you can get page 1 rankings regardless of where you are in the world. We might be the first and only platform to offer quality social syndication that is 100% done for you and supports all languages around the world. We have totally revamped our server setup to include IPs from all over the world to supercharge our new worldwide ranking power. Yup, we couldn't have just opened up our worldwide language support without ensuring that our servers were set up correctly too, right? So in version 3.0, we supercharged our server setup to include IPs from all over the world as well. This solidifies us as the leading provider of Done For You rankings on a global level. When we can offer rankings in different languages with server IPs from all over the world as well, that's when Google really starts to drool over your campaigns. And if you have no idea what this means, don't worry because it's all done for you. We have totally revamped our content generation system, which is now powered by real artificial intelligence, so you get more relevancy for each of your campaigns so that you can get even